My name is Steven van Roon. I'm one of the directors at Sansom. I've been happily working here for about 23 years. The background to the Paykel Appliances new headquarters, they wanted to build a new sustainable office in Penrose. It consists of 3 buildings: the home building, which is the offices, the shed building and the garage. It's a 3-storey cross-laminated timber structure, which is quite unique. It's the biggest timber structure in New Zealand till date. And we got involved early on with Nuralite because of our experience with a previous project that used a timber structure and the experiences that we learned during that process. Our involvement there is to install a warm roof system from Nuralite on the shed building and the home building. We're working closely with Nuralite, which is the biggest New Zealand builder currently around. The project overall has gone really well. Been challenging with the weather, but the warm roof is expected to be completed by the end of this year, and we are on program and on target to complete that. And the project itself, I believe, is to be completed by mid next year. The main challenge was the weather tightness, keeping the warm roof dry from water ingress. And once water enters into the warm roof, it creates its own environment and it can cause movement and the system long-term could fail. So it's really important that during construction we keep water out, and we do this by creating night joints. So the perimeters where we stop, we make sure they're watertight every night and then continue the next day. This allowed us to waterproof sections of the roof in smaller stages. The other thing was there's a lot of penetrations for the solar panels installation, and we have hundreds and hundreds of Nuralite anchor plates that we had to install. And because there was no structure or weather tightness protection around the building, they installed a handrail that stayed in place during the construction of the warm roof. And we have to come back at the end of the project with a harness or something like that in place to redetail all those handrail penetrations. The experience that we bring to the table, we're celebrating 50 years this year. So we have a very experienced on-site team. Noel and his staff have been with us for over 8 years. And the project manager, Andrew Beard, has been with us for 23 years. The experience that we can bring to the table has given Nuralite a lot of confidence in the quality of work that we display on site. We strongly believe that quality assurance is the most important part of a warm roof installation. The problem with warm roofs, once it gets damaged, is that it creates its own environment and it's really hard to get the water out. The only answer with that is really to uplift it and start again. So we use a program called Conquer that covers each step of the way. And it's also kept monitored by the architects or the main contractor or consultants. It's a live document that they can visit. Sansom prides itself for the quality of work that we deliver, and we believe that sets us apart from most applicators. So one of the lessons gained is that with the help of Nuralite, we managed to install a successful warm roof without weather protection. One of the other lessons learned was signing off of the PAR design. It was quite challenging on previous projects, and so we sat down at the beginning of the project with Nuralite, the designers and the architects, to have that perfectly signed off. With early involvement with all parties involved, was quite successful in this project. As an owner, I'm really proud, first and foremost, of our staff on site, the experience and the professionalism of our teams. A lot of our staff have been with us for 6 up to 30 years, and the quality of work. The project's gone really well. Sansom has been really proud to be involved in this project with Nuralite and Paykel Appliances. Really proud of the staff and the quality work that we've delivered, and we are looking forward to the next projects, especially with complex warm roof systems.